Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use WizTree step by step. WizTree is a powerful disk space analyzer that helps you quickly find large files and folders so you can free up storage on your Windows computer. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your computer. If prompted, allow it to run with administrator privileges so it can scan your drives accurately. Once the application opens, you'll see a list of the available drives at the top of the window. Next, select the drive you want to analyze, such as your C drive, then click the Scan button. WizTree will quickly examine the drive and display a detailed breakdown of your files and folders. One of the best things about WizTree is how fast it completes the scan compared to many other disk analysis tools. After the scan finishes, browse through the folder tree to see which folders are using the most storage. You can click on any folder to expand it and view its contents. You can also sort the results by file size, file name, or percentage of disk usage to make it easier to identify large files. Another useful feature is the visual tree map at the bottom of the window. Each colored block represents a file, and larger blocks indicate larger files. Simply click a block to locate the corresponding file in the list, making it easy to identify storage-heavy items. Once you've found files you no longer need, you can open their location, delete them carefully, or move them to another drive to free up space. And that's it. You now know how to use WizTree to analyze disk space and locate large files on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use WizTree on Windows 11